Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to invite friends in Marvel Rivals. So there's many different ways to do this. One of the ways basically is to click on the friend tab in the top right corner of the main screen. Okay, click on the friend tab, and then what you want to do is you want to type your friend's username into the empty text box. Just press enter and then just click on the add friend button and next to their name. Or what you can do is you can also search for their ID using the UID, okay? And you can also share your UID with your friends so they have an easier time finding your profile. And the other method, what you can do is you can go ahead and also invite friends to your team in Marvel Rivals, okay? So once you've basically added a friend, you can invite them to your party. It's a very straightforward process. Just click on the play button, and then you want to click on any of these empty boxes under your name, and then just choose the friend you want to invite to your party, and once they accept, they'll be added to your team. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.